Welcome to our video about the top 10 foods that can effectively combat cancer. We recognize that cancer can be a daunting and difficult experience, but rest assured, we're here to help. Throughout this video, we will explore the nature of cancer, its signs, symptoms, causes, and provide valuable tips for adopting a healthier lifestyle. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge to fight against cancer and promote our well-being. Cancer is a complex disease that originates from damaged DNA and genes within our cells. These mutations can disrupt the normal mechanisms that regulate cell growth, causing cells to divide and multiply uncontrollably, eventually forming tumors. These cells may also spread to other regions of the body via the bloodstream or lymphatic system, resulting in cancer in places like the colon, liver, pancreas, or lungs. While some individuals may have certain genetic mutations that predispose them to cancer, it's important to note that having these mutations doesn't automatically mean they will develop cancer. Our lifestyle choices, particularly our diet, can significantly influence our risk. However, the underlying question remains: what causes damage to your DNA and cells in the first place? A healthy and balanced diet can help minimize the chances of cancer development. On the other hand, an unhealthy diet that includes excessive consumption of processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can increase the risk. One of the main causes is refined sugar that's often added to our foods, as this causes free radical damage to the mitochondria inside your cells. Another type of sugar that raises the risk of cancer is high fructose corn syrup, also used to manufacture sweets, juice drinks, sauces, and fast foods. For example, refined sugars found in sugary beverages, desserts, and processed snacks can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation in the body, creating an environment that supports cancer growth. Similarly, consuming unhealthy fats, such as those found in processed and fried foods, can promote inflammation and oxidative stress, further increasing the risk of cancer. By adopting a diet rich in whole and processed foods, including plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, we can provide our bodies with essential nutrients and antioxidants that help maintain cellular health and reduce the risk of DNA damage. It's important to remember that our genes and lifestyle factors interact in a complex manner. While some individuals may be more genetically predisposed to cancer, making positive lifestyle choices, including a healthy diet, regular exercise, avoiding tobacco, excessive alcohol consumption, managing stress, avoiding vaping, and maintaining a healthy weight, can significantly reduce the risk of cancer and maximize our overall well-being. And keep in mind that many of the foods we consume are treated with harmful chemical pesticides and weed killers, which can increase the risk. Before discussing the top foods to incorporate into our diet, let's explore the signs and symptoms of cancer. These can vary depending on the type and stage of the disease, but it's essential not to overlook common warning signs. The first one is unexplained weight loss. If you're losing weight without trying, it could be a cause for concern and should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. Number 2. Fatigue. Persistent, unexplained fatigue that doesn't improve with rest can be a symptom of various types of cancer. Number 3. Changes in the skin. Pay attention to any changes in the color, shape, or size of moles or skin lesions. Skin cancer can often present with noticeable changes in the skin. Number 4. Persistent pain. If you experience ongoing pain that doesn't improve with typical treatments, it's essential to have it evaluated. And finally, number 5. Unusual bleeding. Any unexpected bleeding or discharge from the body, such as blood in the urine, stool, or abnormal vaginal bleeding, should be investigated by a healthcare professional. Remember, these signs and symptoms may not always indicate cancer, but they should prompt you to seek medical attention for further evaluation. Additionally, this video is for educational purpose only, so consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance and recommendations based on your specific health needs. Fortunately, one powerful way to support your body's defense against cancer is through nutrition. Consuming a healthy and balanced diet can play a significant role in maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of cancer. Today, we'll unveil the top 10 foods that have shown promising potential in stopping cancer growth. Incorporating these foods into your diet, along with some important tips, can be a proactive step in taking control of your well-being. So, get ready to discover these cancer-fighting superheroes that can be found right in your local organic grocery store. The first one of this list is berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only delicious but also highly nutritious. They are packed with antioxidants that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Berries also contain phytochemicals, which have been linked to anti-cancer properties. These compounds can help prevent the growth of cancer cells and lower the risk of breast, colon, and prostate cancer. Including a variety of berries in your diet is a great way to benefit from these cancer-fighting compounds and support overall health. The second one is cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, and other cruciferous vegetables are not only delicious but also offer a wide range of health benefits. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them excellent additions to a nutritious diet. What sets cruciferous vegetables apart is their unique compounds called glucosinolates. When we chew or digest these vegetables, glucosinolates are broken down into active compounds such as sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol. Sulforaphane, in particular, has gained significant attention for its potential anti-cancer effects. It has been found to exhibit powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and research suggests it may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, reduce inflammation, and even promote the detoxification of harmful substances in the body. One noteworthy cruciferous vegetable is broccoli sprouts, which are believed to be particularly potent sources of sulforaphane. In fact, broccoli sprouts can contain up to 100 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli. They are relatively easy to grow at home and can be a cost-effective way to incorporate this powerful cancer-fighting compound into your diet. To grow broccoli sprouts at home, follow these simple steps. Make sure to check the description box below for a link to get your own broccoli sprout growing kit and start incorporating these powerful cancer-fighting sprouts into your diet. The third one is garlic. It is not only a flavorful ingredient but also a potent cancer-fighting food. It contains allicin, a compound known for its anti-cancer properties. Allicin has been shown to induce apoptosis, a process where existing cancer cells self-destruct and die. To activate allicin, it's important to crush the garlic cloves and let them sit for a few minutes before consuming. Additionally, it's recommended not to cook garlic at high temperatures, as heat can destroy the delicate compound. By incorporating raw or lightly cooked garlic into your meals, you can maximize its potential cancer-fighting benefits. Number 4. Mushrooms. Mushrooms contain bioactive compounds such as polysaccharides, beta-glucans, and triterpenes, which have demonstrated anti-cancer properties. Reishi, shiitake, maitake, and turkey tail mushrooms are examples of mushrooms that are rich in these bioactive compounds, which can help inhibit cancer cell growth, enhance immune function, and reduce inflammation. To maximize the potential anti-cancer effects of mushrooms, they can be consumed in various ways. Cooked. Cooking mushrooms can help make their nutrients more accessible and enhance their flavors. You can sauté them, stir-fry them with other vegetables, or add them to soups, stews, and sauces. Tea or extracts. Some mushrooms, such as reishi, can be consumed in the form of tea or extracts. Drying mushrooms helps to concentrate their flavors and nutrients, making them suitable for brewing in hot water. By using dried mushrooms or extracts, you can maximize your intake of the bioactive compounds found in mushrooms, enhancing their potential health benefits. Supplements. Mushroom supplements are available in the form of capsules or powders. They provide a convenient way to incorporate mushrooms into your daily routine, especially if fresh mushrooms are not easily accessible. Blended in smoothies. You can add powdered mushroom extracts or fresh mushrooms to your smoothies for an additional boost of nutrients. Next is number 5. Green tea. Green tea has long been valued for its health-promoting properties, including its potential in preventing and fighting cancer. It is rich in a type of antioxidant called catechins, which have been the focus of numerous studies. Catechins have shown promising anti-cancer effects by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and promoting their self-destruction. These compounds also possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can further contribute to cancer prevention. Regular consumption of green tea, whether hot or cold, can be a beneficial addition to a cancer-preventive diet. Number 6. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and others, are not only a convenient and tasty snack but also provide an array of health benefits, including potential cancer protection. They are nutrient-dense and rich in healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Nuts also contain various bioactive compounds, including antioxidants and phytochemicals, which contribute to their cancer-fighting potential. Studies have suggested that regular nut consumption may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, including colon and breast cancer. Including a variety of nuts in your diet can provide you with a range of beneficial nutrients and contribute to a cancer-preventive eating pattern. Now, let's see number 7. Turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its potential anti-cancer effects. However, curcumin's bioavailability is limited, meaning it's not easily absorbed by the body. To enhance its absorption, combining turmeric with a pinch of black pepper is recommended. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which can increase the absorption of curcumin and maximize its potential benefits. Including turmeric with black pepper in your cooking or opting for supplements that combine the two can be an effective way to incorporate curcumin into your cancer-preventive regimen. Number 8. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They also contain a variety of bioactive compounds such as carotenoids, flavonoids, and chlorophyll, which have been associated with a decreased risk of certain cancers. These compounds possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect cells from damage and support overall health. Including a variety of leafy greens in your diet, whether in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes, can provide a wide range of cancer-fighting nutrients. Number 9. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans, are excellent plant-based protein sources that offer numerous health benefits, including potential cancer prevention. They are rich in fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight, a factor that can reduce the risk of certain cancers. Beans and legumes also contain phytochemicals such as flavonoids and lignans, which have shown anti-cancer properties by inhibiting tumor growth and promoting cellular health. Adding beans and legumes to soups, stews, salads, or incorporating them into vegetarian dishes can provide you with a diverse array of nutrients and contribute to a cancer-protective diet. And finally, number 10. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage dish, is not only a delicious addition to meals but also offers several health benefits, particularly in combating cancer. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, with just 1 cup containing an impressive 700 milligrams of this vital nutrient, which is over 8 times the minimum daily requirements. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting our immune system and acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Moreover, sauerkraut has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the body has been linked to an increased risk of cancer development. By consuming sauerkraut regularly, you can help reduce inflammation and create a healthier internal environment. When seeking vitamin C, it's important to note that synthetic or isolated supplements, such as ascorbic acid, may not provide the same benefits as whole food sources like sauerkraut. Whole foods contain a variety of compounds that work synergistically to provide optimal health benefits. Ascorbic acid alone may not offer the same richness of nutrients and beneficial compounds found in natural food sources. Here are some additional foods with anti-cancer properties that you can explore further: soursop, celery, ginger, black seed oil, pomegranate, turmeric, flax seeds, oregano, ashwagandha, red algae, and sweet wormwood. Each of these foods has been associated with potential health benefits, including anti-cancer properties. Take the time to research and learn more about these foods to understand their specific benefits and how they can be incorporated into your diet. Now that you have gained a deeper understanding of the foods that can help combat cancer, it's important to consider the lifestyle changes that can further boost the process. Here are some key factors to focus on. 1. Fasting. Consider incorporating intermittent fasting, such as a 48-hour fast, as it has been shown to have potential benefits for cancer cells. Research suggests that fasting can help induce autophagy, a process where damaged cells are broken down and recycled by the body. 2. Soluble fiber-rich foods. Include foods like chia seeds in your diet, as they are rich in soluble fiber. Soluble fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels and support overall digestive health. 3. Avoid processed foods and vegetable oils. Minimize or eliminate processed foods and processed meats cooked with vegetable oils. These oils can be high in unhealthy fats and have been associated with inflammation, which can promote cancer development. 4. Hydration and potassium citrate. Focus on drinking an adequate amount of water, aiming for at least 1 to 2 liters per day. Tap water may contain hormone disruptors such as bisphenol A, or more known as BPA, phthalates, and synthetic estrogen compounds, so opting for filtered water is beneficial. Consider adding potassium citrate to your water, as it can help support cell function and regulate acidity levels in the body. 5. Switch to organic foods. Consider switching to organic foods to minimize exposure to chemical pesticides and additives. Organic produce and meats are produced without the use of synthetic chemicals, which can be beneficial for overall health. 6. Grass-fed and organ meats. When consuming meat, opt for grass-fed sources, as they tend to have higher nutrient content and healthier fat profiles. Additionally, consider incorporating organ meats, as they are rich in essential nutrients. 7. Exercise. Try to exercise for 20 to 30 minutes, at least 2 times a week. Regular exercise helps improve oxygen circulation, as cancer cells thrive in low oxygen environments. Outdoor exercise can also boost your vitamin D levels, which acts as a powerful antioxidant. 8. Quit smoking, vaping, and limit alcohol. It is crucial to quit smoking and vaping, as they are major risk factors for various types of cancer. Additionally, limit alcohol consumption, as excessive intake can increase the risk of certain cancers or other illness. By implementing these lifestyle changes alongside a healthy diet, you can optimize your overall well-being and reduce the risk of cancer. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to prioritize your health. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips, and feel free to share this with anyone who may benefit.